The initial CAD design is created and securely stored using the Siemens Teamcenter application. Start by loading the base simulation, which represents the mixer model configured with a single set of operating parameters. Set up the mesh, assign the appropriate boundary conditions, apply the multi-phase physics models, and run the simulation. Once the solution is complete, right-click the simulation node and select Create Design Manager Project to initiate a parametric design exploration. Define your design space by specifying multiple sets of input parameters, such as impeller speed, RPM, particle mass flow rate and volume fraction of water, and initiate run study. After completion, export the results as an FMU or a Java file. Here we are deploying an executable digital twin, built with Mendix, using Snowpark Container Services. First, we set up a service within Snowpark Container Services. This fully managed platform lets us deploy and manage our digital twin application efficiently, without worrying about infrastructure or security. Next, we log into our executable digital twin, or xDT, developed in Mendix. For this demonstration, we're simulating a mixer operation. Inside the xDT application, we have full control over key mixer parameters, particle weight, rotating time, and water level. By adjusting these, we can influence the mixer's behavior in real time. Once we run the simulation, the xDT instantly generates valuable output data, such as torque, particle uniformity, mixer temperature, power consumption, and impeller max displacement. All these results are seamlessly pushed into Snowflake, where they're securely stored in a dedicated table, ready for further analysis and reporting. With this integrated solution, you can easily deploy, control, and analyze your digital twin simulations, unlocking new possibilities for process optimization. We're taking our executable digital twin analytics to the next level with Snowflake Cortex AI. After running our mixer simulation, all the operational data, like motor temperature, power consumption, rotating speed, and torque, flows directly into Snowflake. Now, let's see how Cortex AI turns this raw data into actionable insights. First, we'll analyze the relationship between average motor temperature and power consumption. Using Cortex AI's powerful built-in models, we can quickly visualize trends and correlations. For example, as the motor temperature rises, we might notice a corresponding increase in power consumption, helping us identify potential inefficiencies or early signs of equipment stress. Next, we'll examine the link between rotating speed and torque. Cortex AI enables us to plot these variables and uncover how changes in speed impact the torque required by the mixer. This insight is crucial for optimizing performance and preventing mechanical overload. What makes Cortex AI especially effective is its ability to handle these analyses natively within the Snowflake platform. There's no need to move data between systems or rely on separate tools. Everything happens securely and efficiently in one place. This unified approach not only streamlines our workflow but also ensures that our insights are always based on the most current data. Beyond these examples, Snowflake Cortex AI supports a wide range of analyses. Whether you want to explore the impact of water level on mixer temperature, study particle uniformity, or predict maintenance needs based on historical trends, Cortex AI makes it possible with just a few lines of SQL. By integrating AI-driven analytics directly into our digital twin environment, we're unlocking deeper insights, improving operational efficiency, and making smarter, data-driven decisions, faster than ever before.